we'll see the next tool, how to find increase percent or decrease percent. So earlier we saw how to find the percentage A over B. So what was the percentage of A of B or B of A? So now we'll see what percent A is more than B, or by what percent is A less than B, or vice versa. And how to calculate this increase percentage or decrease percent. So increase percentage is calculated by increase or decrease. So we'll calculate increase or decrease percentage only over two values. So in these two values, you find difference between those values. That is final value minus the initial value. So increase or decrease percentage is found by final value minus initial value divided by, so what will be the base? Initial value will be the base. So by initial value it is 100. So to find the increase or decrease percentage, so we'll see the difference between the two values, that is final minus initial by initial value into 100. So always initial value should be written in the denominator and difference in the numerator. So when it is increase percentage, what will be the initial value? Lower value, smallest value will be the initial, so that will come in the denominator. Say for example, you have two values, 60 and 80. So in these two values, so by what percent is 60 less than 80? Or by what percent 80 more than 60? So first we'll see the increase percentage. By what percent is 80 more than 60? So when increase percent is asked, so what will be the initial value? So from 60, how much it is more? So from 60, 80 is 20 more. So initial value will be 60. That is a smaller value. So when increase percentage is asked, write the smaller value in the denominator, because smaller value will be the base initial value. So 60 in the denominator, and what will be the numerator? Difference. By what value it is more? It is 20 more. So difference in the numerator. 80 minus 60 into 100. So difference is 20 by 60 into 100. Now what will be the percentage? 100 by 3 or 33, 1 by 3%. So 80 is 33 1 by 3% more than 60. See, suppose decrease percentage is asked. So by what value 60 is less than 80? So by what value 60 is less than 80? That is decrease percentage. The format is same. Final minus initial by initial format is same. But when decrease is asked, what will be the initial value? From 80, how much it is less? So we will write the higher value in the denominator. So when decrease percentage is asked, write the higher value in the denominator. So it is 80. And what will be the numerator? It is always the difference. So difference between 80 and 60. So it is 20 less than 60. 60 is 20 less than 80. 20 in the numerator into 100. Now what is the percentage? It is 25%. So 60 is 25% less than 80. So to find increase or decrease percentage, so final value minus initial value by the initial value into 100. So when increase percentage is asked, smaller value in the denominator. If decrease percentage is asked, higher value in the denominator. and we'll see a few examples to understand this concept clearly.